Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create multiple Gmail account without phone number verification. So let's get into it. First of all, open Chrome web browser. Go to gmail.com. Click on Create Account at the bottom. Fill in the details, entering your first name, last name, allowed username, and a valid password. And then click on Next. Leave the phone number field empty, then tap Next. Agree to the terms and conditions provided. Your new Gmail account has now been created. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.